help you?
Paige, is that right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay,
How can I help you?
I think I might have the wrong number. You said, what store is this?
PetSmart?
Oh, a friend gave me this number and told me you guys might have birds.
We do. Would you like me to get someone for you?
Oh, maybe this is the right place. We're having a big family get together and just trying to what kind of birds do you have?
We have a large variety. Let me get someone for you to tell you, okay?
Okay.
Hold on 1 second.
All right.
Gosh.
I don't know how to read this. Yes, sir.
Who?
Thank you for even taking my call. I can't believe we're even considering this, but are you there?
Yes, sir.
Paige assured me that this was the right place for me to call. She said you guys had birds.
Birds? Yes, we
Birds,
do.
right.
What are you looking for?
Well, we've had some family issues in the past, and finally everybody's getting together, and we just wanted to have something special, for the family to gather around and enjoy one another's company while we enjoy it, So I'll be there in a second, honey. What kind of birds do you have? What kinds are available and per pound?
All right. As of right now, we have parakeets, canaries, finches, and there's multiple varieties of finches.
We're probably gonna have about 11 people. How big? What's the biggest bird there? And maybe describe a little of the texture.
You're talking about birds, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you said.
Parakeets,
Yeah.
the parakeets are a little bit larger. They're still pretty small. I'd say they're a good 3-4 inches tall. They're really small. And then occasionally we get in a bird called a conure. There's different varieties of that too.
Now the parakeet. Let me ask you about the parakeet. Is it in size? Is it comparable to a little chicken?
A little chicken?
Yes, sir. Little chicken roasters.
Yeah, I'd say a chick, like a brand new chick probably.
Oh wow, that's small. How about the wing size?
No, we don't have anything that big.
Okay, I'm sorry. I cut you off. I cut you off. You were saying something about the conjures.
I'm sorry, what was that? Oh, the conures?
Kanye, yeah.
Yeah, they're a little bit bigger. They only have a maximum of, I think, around 6 inches tall.
That'd be good.
Still a small bird, but it's bigger than what we have.
That sounds delicious.
Than what we have, yeah. But they're an expensive bird, though.
Ooh, yeah. I mean, I'd just go get a turkey or something if I wanted to. You know what I mean? I want to kind of keep the cost down a little bit. And now, are they already prepared or?
The parakeets are probably going to be your best bet. I mean, they're small. They're only around $20. So.
$20, and how many people do you think would enjoy one?
Enjoy. I mean.
Yeah,
as many people as you like.
Okay.
Wait a
Now, how do you prepare? Do you guys suggest, I know when I stop by Kroger's or something like that, they kind of give me an idea of how I should prepare it, but do you guys do anything like that, or do you just sell the birds straight out?
Oh, no, we don't sell them for food.
You don't sell the...
No, we only sell them as pets.
Now, oh. Well, that's embarrassing. I'm embarrassed. I talked to Paige up front and told her, and she said this. My goodness. Yeah, we're having a big family get together. And
Oh, no, I'm sorry, I misunderstood you as well.
oh,
No, sorry, just pets here.
oh, do you think parakeets do you think they taste good? Do you think they would taste good, parakeet?
I'm sorry, you're breaking up.
Do you think parakeet would taste all right?
I'm sorry, I can't really difficult to hear you right now. My phone is breaking up at the moment.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You still there?
Yeah, I'm still here. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me? Oh man, bad service.